Okay, so we're going to be using how to use calendar and contacts effectively, how you can change to see all your meetings in one view, how you can see who's attending your meetings, and also how you can see your to-do from your calendar. And we have talked about to-do in other courses. So let's look firstly at where we find the calendar in Outlook. Now, it might be down the bottom of your screen as it is here. It can also appear down the left of the screen, and newer versions are rolling out with Outlook down the left. But you'll generally have an Outlook icon, one that looks like two people for contacts in the bottom left, and a tasks. Now, one thing we do forget is it is possible to insert files into a meeting. So if I'm sending around a meeting, which we'll do in a minute, but I might want to attach the agenda or something. If you go to the insert button, attach, those files will then live in the appointment. And that's very handy because you don't get people saying, oh, I can't find the email, because they just need to go to the appointment in their calendar, open up the appointment in their calendar, and they will be able to view the files. The other advantage I find is if I need to add, when I send out a meeting, if I need to add files to that meeting, I'll just insert them and they'll be there already. I don't need to keep worrying about whether I've inserted the right files. So do give that a go. It's something you need to get used to, because often people don't realize when you've sent round a meeting that the files are living inside the meeting. It's a little bit of a different way of working, but I find it very useful.